Hi guys, I'm Shane. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lynn Ngomane. I share business ideas that we can all relate to as South Africans. So if you like the type of content that I create, please consider to subscribe, to hit the notification button so you'll be notified each and every time whenever I post a video. So guys, today we are going to talk about how you can start a B&B or a guest house business in South Africa. So a bed and breakfast is actually a lodging establishment that offers overnight accommodation and breakfast. So a B&B consists of 1 to 3 bedrooms, and a guest house consists of 4 to 16 bedrooms. So if it's above 16 bedrooms, it's automatically considered as a hotel. So before you can get started into this particular business, you need to make sure that you choose the right location for your business. Location is very important when you want to run a B&B or a guest house business. So if you are not in the area that appeals to holiday makers or business people, you are not going to struggle to attract regular clients. So please guys, make sure that before you can get started into this particular business, you choose the right location for your business. So what do you need to know about this industry? Because it falls under hospitality. So guys, the hospitality industry is notoriously seasonal, guys. Unless you are lucky enough to attract regular business clientele, you will get few clients. So it means that whatever that you are going to make will vary, will keep on changing from month to month or from season to season. So how much can you make out of this business? So let's make an example of a guest house. So guys, let's say you've got a 7-bedroom guest house and you charge 600 rands per night for each room. You can make 75,600 rands at an occupancy rate of 60% per month. So you can make more if you choose the right location, and you can also make less if your location is not right. So please make sure that you choose the right location for your business before you can get started, because remember, you are going to invest a lot of money into this business. So questions that you need to ask yourself before you can get started into this business: you need to ask yourself if the site is quiet enough for people to sleep undisturbed. You also need to ask yourself if the streets are well kept and regularly maintained. You also need to ask yourself if the place where you are choosing to start this business is safe for your clients. And you also need to ask yourself if the place where you want to run this business is easily accessible to shopping centers or malls, or to national roads or to main roads, because remember, people shouldn't struggle to get into those things. So health and regulations must be adhered to. You need to make sure of that. And then again, you need to contact your local council for health regulations and requirements for you to operate a guest house and a B&B. So guys, what is your target market? So your target market will be tourists, it will be business travelers, it will be romance, because we all know that everyone loves a romantic getaway. And again, it will be sports and events. For those people who are going to travel for sports or for events, those will be your target market. So that is what you need to know about your target market, guys. So please make sure that you consult your local authority about the policy that governs the establishment of a guest house and a B&B in your area to be in line with all legislations in terms of licensing, signage, and regional planning. So how can you find how can you fund your business? You can fund a guest house by yourself if you've got money, or you can apply for a business loan, or you can actually look for people who are going to invest in your business. So please note that you will need to have a professional business plan before you can get started to make your idea a reality, and they will need that professional business plan if you are going to apply for a business loan, or if you are going to look for people who are going to invest in your business. They will actually need to check if your business is going to succeed or not. So please make sure that you have a professional business plan, and you need to register your business and choose a catchy business name for your guest house. And the most important thing, guys, it is to advertise your business so that you can be successful in running your business. That's it for today. I will see you on the next video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Goodbye.